If you're choosing between Microsoft Word and Notion, this video will help you understand which tool is the better fit for your work style in 2025. Both are powerful, but they're built for completely different purposes, and knowing those differences will save you time and help you work more efficiently. Let's begin with Microsoft Word. Word is the classic, full-featured word processor designed for creating polished professional documents. It excels at long-form writing, formatting heavy files, resumes, letters, reports, and anything that requires precise layout control. With features like styles, track changes, mail merge, templates, and robust offline editing, Word remains the industry standard. It's reliable, familiar to most users, and integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 apps like OneDrive, Teams, and Outlook. The downside is that Word focuses mainly on documents, not project management or team organization, and it requires a subscription for full access. Now, let's talk about Notion. Notion isn't just a writing tool, it's an all-in-one workspace. You can write notes, manage tasks, build databases, track projects, collaborate with teams, and even create personal dashboards. It's flexible, highly customizable, and great for organizing both personal and work-related information. Notion is perfect for students, freelancers, content creators, and remote teams who want everything in one place. However, it's not ideal for heavy formatting, formal documents, or files that need exact layout control. Exporting to Word or PDF can sometimes break formatting, and Notion works best with an internet connection. So, which one should you use? Choose Microsoft Word if you're writing professional documents, need strong formatting tools, or rely on polished layouts. It's the best choice for resumes, academic papers, printed documents, and anything that needs a clean structure. Choose Notion. If you want a workspace that helps you plan, organize, brainstorm, and collaborate, all in one flexible environment, it's perfect for productivity and project tracking, but not as strong for formal document creation. In the end, many people actually use both: Word for final documents and Notion for planning and drafting. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos like this.